You want to talk? Come. Tell your name. And where are you? कहाँ से हैं आप?
So I'm born in Korea.
कहाँ? कोरिया से?
No, my surname is Korea.
Okay.
I'm born and brought up in Mumbai, but I'm married now. I'm in Navsari. Friends, I would like to share with you one real incident of my childhood friend. So we were in school together, but I will say only for 2 to 3 days I went out, and when I came back, I lost my friend. She was alive, but there was no soul in her. She met with an incident. When I saw her, when I went to meet her, she had scars over here, she had over here, her knees were broken, her head was damaged, her tooth was broken. It was an attempt to rape. We were just 11 years old, so I also didn't understand what had happened to her. As we went on schooling, further in school they started teaching you about, they give you knowledge about sex and all. So we came to know, oh, she came to know actually what is going on, and she told me, hey Bonnie, it was attempt to rape. That guy didn't want the gold and all from me, he was trying to do something with me. That girl was so lively, wherever she used to go, in parties, in school, everywhere she used to take part. But after that incident, she was totally lost. She was nothing. In fact, to remove that fear from her, her father, my father put us together in karate. We reached up to brown belt. In karate class, she used to stand, she used to do everything. She used to give her exams, but if you'll tell her, say something, can't speak. There was one frozen point. Even somebody will go, she will go to the market to get something. No, I won't come, she would say. We had totally lost her. We were knowing everything about her. We got married in same Navsari city. Our kids went for kudo class. There our sir insisted us come do females. He kept on saying, so I just asked her, let's go. She said, yes, let's join. In the class, whenever the topic is to come, oh, this will help you in rape, she would be like this. No, I can't do it. I just can't do it. Then there was one good system was introduced by our sir over there, that whatever form you fill up, behind the form you got to write your fear factor. My friend never allowed us to speak about her anywhere, but I gathered some courage. I wrote about her entire story with a request note to sir that nobody should come to know about her, and that I have revealed this fact. In fact, the entire people, our staff, dealt with her so well. Wherever she used to be, I can't speak, they made her strong. Today, she's totally different personality. Now, she will yell, we have to tell her, please, please control yourself. So she will be like, she'll walk behind me. Now, what happened? Tell me, what happened? What happened? She'll just come straight forward and she'll walk. So, today she's not here, sir. She settled out somewhere, but when she came to know that I'm coming here, I'm come third time over here. Yesterday she calls me up and she tells, please speak my incidents. Tell not only the youth, but all the girls. Because the 11-year children don't understand what is rape. They don't know what is happening to them, and they lose their whole life. Everything. she used to sir leave everything. उसके 2 बच्चे हैं, बच्चे को संभालती है, सब है, लेकिन she is not there. I really thank you for giving my precious gift what I had lost.
Okay, that was amazing. Thank you very much. You shared a story which I will always remember. We all will remember it. It is important, again, as she also said, don't freeze. Don't just stand there. Do something. Move. Nobody has a right to take away anything from you. You are a very important person in India. You all are very important.